Thank you for visiting our channel. Please like, share and subscribe for more exciting food videos. Now that we've covered the history and variations, it's time to roll up our sleeves and make some homemade ice candy. Let's get started. The business of ice candy. Ice candy isn't just a nostalgic treat or a way to cool off on a hot day. For many, it's also an affordable and profitable business opportunity. Whether you're starting small from home or dreaming of scaling up, ice candy offers a low-risk, high-potential venture that's perfect for first-time entrepreneurs or seasoned business owners alike. Let's look at how you can start, market, and grow your ice candy business. Starting a small ice candy business. Starting an ice candy business is simple and budget-friendly, which explains why it's a go-to choice for entrepreneurs in many regions. Here's what you'll need to consider. Startup costs. The initial investment for an ice candy business is relatively low compared to other small food businesses. You'll need ingredients: milk, sugar, fruits, and flavorings won't cost much, especially if bought in bulk. Plastic bags or molds. Plastic ice candy tubes are cost-effective and easy to source at local markets or online. Kitchen tools, a blender, mixing bowls, and a freezer are likely already available at home. Packaging supplies, rubber bands, labels, or stickers to brand your product, optional but helps build trust. With as little as $50 to $100, you could start producing small batches. If you're looking to make larger volumes, plan for a higher investment to cover additional supplies and freezer storage. Packaging ideas. Great packaging can make your ice candy stand out. The look of your product is the first impression for potential customers, so it's worth putting in the effort here. Some ideas. Use clear plastic bags so customers can see the vibrant colors of your ice candy. Invest in customized labels with your branding. Include details like the flavor, ingredients, and your logo. Skip plain designs. Tie your bags neatly with colorful rubber bands or ribbons for extra appeal. For premium offerings, consider eco-friendly packaging like biodegradable wrappers or compostable plastic. Remember, packaging that looks professional can make your product more desirable, even if it's sold at affordable prices. Initial marketing strategies. To generate interest and drive sales, start small and stay local. Here's how to spread the word. Announce your ice candy business on social media platforms like Facebook or Instagram. Post photos of your colorful treats and share updates about new flavors. Offer taster packs or discounted bundles to friends, family, and neighbors. It's a great way to build word-of-mouth recommendations. Create a simple, handwritten sign or small flyer to promote at nearby schools, daycare centers, or gyms. Parents and kids are your target customers. If you live in a bustling area, set up a small roadside stall or collaborate with a local vendor to display your product. These low-cost strategies will help you test demand, get feedback, and grow your customer base without overspending upfront. Marketing ice candy to the local community. Your immediate community is your most valuable market, especially in the early stages of your business. But how do you grab their attention? By tailoring your marketing efforts to meet their needs and create excitement about your product. Focus on families. Families often include your core buyers, especially parents and kids. Here's how to win them over. Sell at family-friendly locations like playgrounds, parks, or daycare centers. Promote kid-favorite flavors like chocolate, mango, and strawberry, while also offering fruit-based, sugar-free options for health-conscious parents. Offer delivery bundles or discounts for bulk purchases. Families often buy multiple treats at once. Target schools. Kids and ice candy go hand in hand, making schools a perfect place to sell or market your product. Try these ideas. Partner with school canteens or vendors during lunch or snack breaks. If you can't sell directly on campus, set up a stall at nearby entrances to catch after-school crowds. Sponsor events like fairs or family days with free samples to spread awareness and goodwill. Pro tip: don't forget to simplify your branding. Include playful names for your flavors and kid-friendly designs on your labels to make your product stand out. Expand to local markets. Local weekend markets or community events are great opportunities for exposure. Many people visit these spaces looking for affordable, tasty snacks. Stand out by offering a variety of unique flavors that attendees can't find elsewhere. Setting up a visually appealing booth with clear signs and a neat display. Including free tastings for shoppers to try before they buy. It's a great way to convert skeptics into customers. Building a connection with your community isn't only good for business, it fosters loyalty and keeps customers coming back. Scaling your ice candy business. Once you've established a steady customer base, it's time to think about expanding. Growth doesn't have to mean taking on heavy risks or completely changing your business model. Small, calculated steps can go a long way in maximizing your potential. Partnering with local retailers. Collaborating with local retailers or convenience stores can boost your ice candy's reach. To make it work, approach small neighborhood stores or sari-sari shops and propose a partnership where they sell your products for a small commission. Make sure your packaging is professional and durable if your ice candy will be stocked in freezers alongside other items. Use this opportunity to test selling at different price points and understand what the market is willing to pay. Retail partnerships can quickly increase sales without needing to invest in your own storefront. Selling ice candy online. The digital marketplace offers unlimited opportunities to grow your business. While not everyone thinks of ice candy as an online product, you'd be surprised how much interest you can generate when done the right way. Use food delivery platforms like Uber Eats or DoorDash if available in your area. Many customers are willing to order frozen treats for delivery, especially on hot days. Promote through social media ads targeting your local community. Facebook Marketplace is another great place to reach nearby buyers. Try organizing pre-orders for large batches. Let people order in advance for parties, school events, or corporate giveaways. Expand your product line. To keep customers interested, offer new products alongside your original ice candy. Experiment with premium ice candies featuring gourmet flavors, like hazelnut or cheesecake. Seasonal specials, such as summer fruit blends or holiday-themed varieties. Ice candy kits, where customers can purchase pre-mixed ingredients to make their own at home. Expansion doesn't have to mean big changes. Simply offering customers more choices can help you grow sustainably. By focusing on strong community ties, creative marketing, and thoughtful business decisions, entrepreneurs can turn a small ice candy operation into something truly rewarding. So, what's your next move? The health benefits and tips for health-conscious consumers. Ice candy isn't just about cooling off or satisfying your sweet tooth. It can also be a healthier indulgence if made right. By choosing mindful ingredients and creative recipes, health-conscious consumers can enjoy this frozen treat without compromising their nutrition goals. Let's explore how to make ice candy that's better for your body and safe for all ages. Ingredients to avoid for a healthier treat. The magic of ice candy lies in its simplicity, but not all recipes are the same. To ensure a nutritious version, start by steering clear of harmful ingredients that often sneak into processed frozen treats. Here are common ingredients to avoid. Artificial sweeteners. While they promise fewer calories, options like aspartame or saccharin can leave an unpleasant aftertaste and may cause digestive discomfort. Go natural instead. Excess sugar. Traditional ice candy often uses refined sugar in excess. Reduce this by choosing natural alternatives like honey, maple syrup, or stevia. Artificial colors and preservatives. These chemicals might make your ice candy more vibrant, but they also bring unwanted health risks. Stick to natural ingredients like fruit purees for natural color and flavor. Health-conscious ingredient alternatives. Here are some healthy alternatives you can incorporate into your ice candy recipes. Fresh fruit purees. Instead of syrups or sugary fruit concentrates, blend up fresh fruits for both natural sweetness and fiber. Think berries, mangoes, or even apples and pears. Coconut milk or almond milk. These non-dairy options are great if you're lactose intolerant or looking for a plant-based treat. They also add creaminess without excess calories. Greek yogurt. Add Greek yogurt to your mix for a tangy twist and a dose of probiotics. It's also packed with protein. Nuts and seeds. To add crunch and healthy fats, consider adding a sprinkle of crushed almonds, cashews, or chia seeds. Conclusion: why ice candy continues to delight. Ice candy holds a special place in our hearts and on our tables, offering a simple yet satisfying way to beat the heat. Whether you're making it at home, enjoying it from a local vendor, or sharing it with friends, there's no denying its place in our global food culture. With endless flavor combinations and the opportunity to make it your own, ice candy continues to evolve while keeping its nostalgic charm. Thank you for watching. Please remember to like, share, and subscribe.